What's up, boy? It's your boy Low. Welcome back to another episode of MVT Music Video Theory. You know, here's where we break down music videos into 10 different elements. No, all these elements aren't necessarily needed in a music video, but if you out here shooting music videos, then you should consider it. Today, if you didn't notice in the title what video we're doing DaBaby's BOP On Broadway. You know what I'm talking about? So let's get it. Story. Now in this particular video, the real ghost, they decided to put DaBaby in the middle of rush hour traffic in New York. Everybody just started getting out the car and joining in because they just can't help it. I don't know if you ever driven to New York, but I have, and it is hell. And I did that on my first time actually going there. I ain't know what I was getting into. But they did a great job showing how hectic the traffic is, all the horn honking and everything else that they had to, you know what I'm saying? That's just, it go down like that out there. So it does have a musical feel to it, but it's just not too much in the story, you know what I mean? Cinematography. Now I know to the untrained eye this may seem like a real simple concept or video to do, and in a sense for the cinematographer it kinda is, because they only got to hit it one time, but you have to hit it one time. So what ends up happening is, you know, you end up taking multiple shots to try to see which one you get where everybody's at least doing everything for the most part correctly, 90% right. It's like you can kind of feel it when you're shooting, but you definitely see it when you're editing, you know what I mean? However, this is called a one shot, an advanced filming technique that if all these elements are done correctly, it really comes out really nice. Art direction. Now this is very important to this video, and I mean very important. Like I say, people are getting out of their car, so you see all different types of people that are supposedly going to work, going to the gym, guys trying to holler at females in the street, you know what I'm saying? Like everybody's in position when and where they needed to be. And I also think they did a good job with everybody that's behind DaBaby having contrasting or neutral colors to what he had on, or at least for the most part, you know what I'm saying, to make sure he stands out. Color. Now in this video, the colors are very bold and very saturated. I mean, not too much here, but it is outside, so they went with, you know, warm tones to kind of give it a more lively feel to it. Not too much in this category, even though they did decide to go with warm tones, showing you that it's a more later time in the day outside, you know what I mean? Lighting. Again, we're outside, so realistically all you got to do is just kind of figure out where you want the sun at, place it there, and then voila, you're pretty much good, you know what I'm saying? Whatever look you're going for. Now this video could have been done in what we like to call the magic hour, which is like an hour before and after sunset and sunrise, kind of like that surrounding hour. I mean, it's called that because, I mean, it just looks beautiful in camera. It's almost like the perfect type of light you're gonna get is during that time. Shadows aren't too harsh or anything like that. It's just really good look. Editing. I mean, not too much here either. There's really only like 5 cuts. Literally only like 5 cuts. I think I counted them, which all at the beginning of the video, you know what I'm saying? Again, it's mainly a one shot because I don't really count those parts because the story didn't really get going until after that. Yeah, it's more about the choreography when it comes to this particular video, to be honest. I mean, you know. Sound design. They did a decent job here, you know what I'm saying? It only applies to the beginning, really. You know, you got the honking of the horns, people talking and yelling, hey, what's taking so long, and all, you know what I mean? It only applies to the beginning, so realistically it's not a lot here. However, they do show how bad the New York traffic is. All you hear is complaining and honking horns all through the streets, you know what I'm saying? Special effects. Non-existent. They don't exist in this video. There is no special effects in this video at all. But I mean, realistically, real ghosts, they aren't really known for special effects. That's not really their thing. So as you can see, to be honest with you, with the right production value, you really don't even need special effects. You know what I'm saying? Brandon. Another good job here. I mean, they kind of stuck with his brand from the very beginning. First time you see DaBaby in this video, he's pretty much hustling on the block and then gotta burn out because the cops start chasing him. You know what I'm talking about? And we all know, you know, police don't really with him because, you know, I mean, he just keep escaping the system somehow, you feel me? And he doesn't even start performing while the dudes are dancing and the song is going on. As soon as he does step in the scene, dudes walk off scene and, you know, a whole bunch of females come behind him. You know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, I guess his brand is kind of like a ladies' man or something, or at least females like him. Entertainment value. Now, the biggest part of this video is basically the entertainment value. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, basically the entertainment value is the video. It's actually what real goats and DaBaby are currently king of right now in this industry, to be honest with you. Because in order to have a great one shot, you either need to keep the audience entertained or in suspense the entire time. And here they do a good job with keeping you focused and finding something to watch throughout the whole video. Now, how can you not be entertained by the Jabberwockies? I'm just saying. Like, the cab driver comes and play the flute when they come out, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, it was kind of lit. It was kind of lit at that point, you know what I'm talking about? You got people just running and flipping all in and out the scene and shit, you know what I'm saying? I mean, and then there was this. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying. Anyway, man, like I said before, like, all of these elements aren't necessarily needed to make a music video, but when you are making a music video out there, you do want to be conscious of all of these things. You know what I'm saying? Again, shout out to my day ones. I do appreciate y'all taking the time out, watching the videos and everything. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned as we keep giving you upload after upload after upload. You know what I'm talking about? Got a video you want me to do? Again, drop it down in the comments, you know what I'm saying, and I'll be able to get back at you. Like I said, again, this is Low Main, and I'm out there, bitch. On, hold up, DaBaby. Oh. You know what I'm saying? Untrained, okay. However, or when, you know what I'm saying? Oh, no. I mean, not, you know what I mean? Like, it only applies to the, hold up, it only applies to the beginning, so it's not allowed here. However they do, just saying. No, not they did. Hold on. Video, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Or, wait, so, you know what I'm saying? So, you know. Yeah, whatever. Blah, 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 blah. Look at the camera.